Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, guys. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you follow the Telegram channel also, so you don't miss out on any updates. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. Once again, click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any updates. Now, let's take a look at what we will be anticipating for the next day or when the market opens on our Euro JPY. Now let's start with our daily time frame, and we would want to zoom it out to understand the full bigger picture of what Euro JPY is doing. And we can see that the full bigger picture, which is our full trend, is our market is an uptrend move. So market tends to give us 10 movements. It's either market is literally trending downward the way it was doing here previously, or it is trending upward, or market is literally giving a sideways movement, which market was doing here also previously. This was the sideways movement. This is the type of movement market tends to give. But when you take a look at what market is doing right now, we are in an uptrend move. So clearly, this is a bullish move, right? That market is doing. Now, when you take a look at this movement here, this is our high. Here comes the higher low. Markets eventually gave an higher high. Here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up again to give an higher high. So our next movement on EURJPY should be an higher low. So we should be anticipating for a pullback, right? But right now, market is not giving us any sign of that, as market is still pushing. So because of that, we would want to see what markets will be doing. So because of this, we will see this to be our higher low, high, higher low, high. So guys, our next movement on EURJPY should be an higher low. So is the higher low playing out? Absolutely yes. Is it over? Well, I do not believe it is over. A small higher low is likely to play out, so more pullback is still to play out. So let's see it drop to a level of 180 to 500. So this should be our next target for the higher low, 180 to 500. If market can give us that pullback and tap a level of 180 to 500, then I'm sure I'll give you guys an update on what you should be expecting next on EURJPY. So for now, a pullback is what we are expecting on EURJPY. So guys, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.